Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a little bit of some hair vlogish, first impression-ish style with me transformation type video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys these natural hair clip-ins that I got. This isn't necessarily going to be like a hair review. It's mainly going to be me showing you guys how I'm going to incorporate natural hair clip-ins into my natural hair styling routine. I have a friend that she wears kinky textured clip-ins like all the time. I watch the videos on YouTube like all the time, like the ones with better length clip-ins, or like I forgot the other brand, like Big Chop Hair. But I got some clip-ins right here from Amazon. These are from a brand called Saga Queen. Honestly, I'm really trying to think back to like my high school days. I think I used to purchase Saga Remy hair. So this is honestly just like beauty supply store Brazilian virgin human hair. It's probably a mixed blend, which I'm okay with. It doesn't have to be the best quality premium hair. I will get into more better quality clip-ins once I figure out how I like to wear them, or if I like wearing them at all. So we got the Saga Queen clip-ins right here. I'm ready to have some inches, sis. I'm ready to have some real inches. So I decided to go ahead and get me some clip-ins. These clip-ins cost me about $30 on Amazon. Came in this satin bag so I can keep the clip-ins in here. They're not doing the most with the packaging. I really wish that in high school I shopped on Amazon or some type of online Chinese vendor for this type of hair, only because I don't have the hair now. It didn't last me then. So I'm not expecting this to last forever, but I feel like this should at least give me a good like 6 months wear on and off. One pack, I got one pack of clip-ins, so we're gonna have to make it work. It just says here, premium quality, 100% human hair, 14-inch. Has some care instructions on how to take care of it. I'm also going to dye these clip-ins. So when you purchase this hair, this is how it looks. The reviews on Amazon look really good. So that's why I went for these. I got the 14-inch because I didn't want it to look extremely too long and uneven with my hair, but I did want to get some length. So that's what made me get the 14-inch. It isn't like a 1B. This isn't like a 1B color, which I'm really not feeling. So the first thing we're going to do is dye these clip-ins. I'm going to be using this VIA semi-permanent hair color in the color Jet Black. Got this from my local beauty supply store.
It was my second sermon series that God told me, Michael, I want you to teach Transformation Church how to live a blessed life. Everybody say a blessed life.
going to be using the Cream of Nature for natural hair shine and hold control glue. I can just, it doesn't frizz up like here. And I'm just going to take it and just put it on top of my hair like that. So just something to like hold my hair. Take a little bit more and put it on there like that. I was actually literally getting ready for school like in real time, but I still want to come back on here and show you guys my hair. It's been, what time did I start doing my hair? I did my hair around 8. It is, what time is it? It is about 1:37. If you guys look outside, it's kind of, you know, gloomy, a little bit humid outside. I do live in Florida, by the way, so the air is very kind of like moist here. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. I think that Cream of Nature glue, I think I really like that. I like how it's keeping my hair laying down and I still have some texture when normally my hair probably would have frizzed up. I'm going to cut the track that I put in the back, cut the clip-in that I keep in the back a little bit shorter and just mark it off so I always know like that clip-in goes in the back. But for the most part, I love how it looks. It blends so good with my natural hair. I want to show you guys how it looks in like natural lighting and everything. This is the back. It looks so good and I really love these. I think I'm definitely going to experiment with clip-in. If you guys like videos like this, if you guys want me to try out more hair textures or clip-ins or hairstyles, please let me know and I'll see y'all in my next one.